In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on StoryGraph. To begin, open the StoryGraph app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you'll see your username displayed. Next to your username, there's a pencil icon. Tap on that. This action will lead you directly to your account settings page. Scroll down through your account settings until you find the option to change your profile picture. If you already have a profile picture and you want to remove it, you can check the box labeled for removal. However, if you want to upload a new image, tap on the Choose File option. This will open your device's gallery, allowing you to browse through your saved photos. Select the image you'd like to set as your new profile picture. After selecting your image, scroll down on this page. Here you will see an Update button. Tap on this to confirm your changes. This step is essential because your profile picture will not be changed unless you finalize it by tapping the Update option. Once your settings are successfully updated, your new profile picture will appear on your profile, and that's how you can change your profile picture on StoryGraph.